Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to get free music on iPhone. So we can use Spotify to get free music on our iPhone device. So you can install Spotify app from App Store, or we can also use Spotify web player. To do that, open your browser and open spotify.com. And make sure to log in into your Spotify account here. If you don't have any account, you can create a Spotify account using your Apple ID or your Facebook account or your Google account. So log in into your account, and now you can tap on this search icon to search for a particular song you want to hear. And here you will get unlimited free music you can play from your iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.